How to get Clash Royale pins in Brawl Stars. I'll show you how to get it in a few simple steps. Let's get started. Open your Clash Royale application. Supercell often releases limited time events where you can earn Clash Royale themed pins. Check the events or news section in Brawl Stars for any active Clash Royale collaborations. Complete the event challenge to unlock the special pins. Shop offer and bundles. Clash Royale pins sometimes appear in Brawl Stars shops as part of special offers or bundles. Keep an eye out for special events, especially during Clash Royale anniversaries or Supercell crossovers. Liking your Brawl Stars and Clash Royale accounts to Supercell ID may unlock exclusive rewards. Occasionally, Supercell offers bonuses items including pins for active players across the game. Sometimes Supercell gives freeway Clash Royale pins through in-game gifts or community events. Follow Brawl Stars official social media accounts for announcements about giveaway and free items. And that's it. Keep an eye for event and shops offered to collect all Clash Royale pins in Brawl Stars.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have questions or suggestions for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.